Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're as excited about new tech as I am, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 features and changes expected in the upcoming iPhone 16 Pro Max. Apple has some incredible upgrades lined up for us, so let's get right into it. First up, let's talk about the screen size. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is rumored to come with a massive 6.9-inch display. That's right, Apple is upping the ante from the previous 6.7-inch display. This larger screen promises an even better viewing experience, whether you're binge watching your favorite shows or playing the latest games. Next, we're looking at those bezels. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is set to feature thinner bezels, measuring just 1.15 millimeters, thanks to Apple's new border reduction structure, or BRS. This means more screen and less distraction, making your device look sleek and modern. Camera enthusiasts, you're going to love this. The iPhone 16 Pro Max will sport dual 48MP lenses. One of these lenses will be from Sony, featuring the IMX 903 sensor, while the other will be an upgraded ultra-wide lens. Expect stunning photos with incredible detail and vibrant colors. Battery life is always a hot topic, and Apple is addressing it head-on. The iPhone 16 Pro Max will come with a bigger battery that uses more dense power cells. This means you'll get longer usage time without compromising on the device's size, more browsing, gaming, and streaming without constantly searching for a charger. Last but certainly not least, storage. Apple is introducing a whopping 2 TB storage option for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is perfect for those of you who love to store lots of photos, videos, apps, and more. You'll have all the space you need right at your fingertips. There you have it, folks. The top 5 features expected in the iPhone 16 Pro Max. From a larger screen and thinner bezels to incredible camera upgrades, a bigger battery, and massive storage options, Apple is pulling out all the stops. What feature are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.